Imagine a digital currency created not by corporations, but by millions of ordinary people worldwide. This is the story of the Pi Network, a project built on the idea that anyone, anywhere, can join the cryptocurrency revolution. Pioneers, as they call themselves, unite daily by tapping an app, securing and growing the network together. This isn't just about technology, it's a social movement, with people building, educating, and connecting across the globe. Their collective commitment is a powerful statement. Value is determined by the people who use and believe in it. Now, as the open mainnet launch approaches, excitement is at an all-time high. For millions, Pi represents a new financial dawn, one they've helped create, one tap at a time. The Pi Network is a digital currency designed for everyone, created by Stanford graduates to solve crypto's accessibility problem. Unlike Bitcoin, which requires expensive hardware and energy, Pi lets you mine coins from your phone. No technical skills or big wallets needed. Security comes from social connections. Users form trust circles, creating a global web that validates transactions. This energy-efficient democratic approach puts power in users' hands. Pi's rollout is methodical. First, build the community. Next, test the tech. Now, real coins circulate in a closed ecosystem. Instead of chasing quick exchange listings, Pi focuses on real-world utility and stability. The goal? Launch a currency with genuine value backed by a massive, verified community. By prioritizing growth, apps, and KYC, Pi aims to be ready for the world from day one. Within the Pi community, the global consensus value, GCV, has become a rallying cry. GCV is a shared belief. If millions agree one Pi is worth $314,159 and trade at that value, it becomes real within their ecosystem. This number, a nod to the mathematical constant Pi, symbolizes the community's ambition. GCV isn't set by exchanges or authorities. It's a grassroots agreement, resisting outside manipulation. It empowers pioneers, giving them a sense of control over their currency's destiny. While outsiders may see the figure as optimistic, its unifying power is undeniable. GCV encourages pioneers to see Pi as a stake in a new global economy, not just a get-rich-quick token. Whether or not the market matches this value, GCV has already united the community around a bold vision. For a long time, GCV was more than just an idea. It was a community dream, passionately debated and promoted by pioneers across the globe. People from different backgrounds came together, united by a shared vision for Pi's future. Yet, during this period, the core team remained silent, watching as the movement grew, but offering no official response. Everything changed when the core team finally broke their silence and officially acknowledged the GCV movement. While they stopped short of endorsing a specific price, they recognized the community's passion and determination. This long-awaited validation energized pioneers everywhere, showing that their voices truly matter in shaping Pi's direction and future. The core team's nod transformed GCV from a distant dream into a recognized and respected part of Pi's evolving strategy. This acknowledgement suggests that, at launch, GCV could serve as a powerful psychological anchor for early transactions, guiding expectations. With millions mentally anchored to a high value, the community could help stabilize the price and prevent panic-driven early sell-offs, creating a more stable ecosystem. The acknowledgement was about more than just numbers. It was about building a true partnership between developers and users, fostering trust and collaboration. Now GCV echoes with legitimacy and newfound credibility, fueling the community's sense of purpose and inspiring even greater participation. The Pi story is now one of collaboration and shared ambition, with both the core team and pioneers working side by side to shape what comes next for the network and its global community. Migrating to mainnet was a major milestone for Pi, marking a turning point in the project's journey from concept to reality. It was a moment that many had anticipated for years, and it signaled the beginning of a new era for the Pi community. Pioneers had to complete KYC, set up wallets, and take important steps to secure their digital assets, ensuring that every participant was verified and ready for the next phase. By verifying their identities, pioneers transformed from passive earners to true digital asset owners, taking responsibility for their holdings and embracing the future of decentralized finance. This migration, completed in carefully organized waves, ensures every coin belongs to a real person, not a bot or duplicate account, and that the network remains secure and trustworthy. These measures protect against fraud, clarify the true supply, and help build a transparent ecosystem where trust is paramount. For many, seeing Pi in their mainnet wallet was a moment of validation after years of dedication, a tangible reward for their patience and belief in the project's vision. Now, in early 2026, most active pioneers are ready for the final step, opening mainnet to the world and inviting new opportunities for growth and innovation. This preparation phase allowed the community to test wallets, build apps, and experiment with new features, laying the groundwork for a thriving digital economy. Pioneers could trade within the enclosed ecosystem, gaining experience and confidence before the network opens to the broader world. The groundwork is set. All eyes are on the core team for the signal to go global as anticipation builds across the community. The Great Migration has built a strong, verified foundation for Pi's next chapter, uniting people from all walks of life under a shared vision. The stage is set for Pi's entry into the global economy, where its true potential can finally be realized. As anticipation grows, Pi IOUs have appeared on exchanges like HTX and Bitmart. These IOUs are promises to deliver real Pi once mainnet opens, but they're not official or endorsed by the Pi core team. Their prices are driven by speculation, not real utility or supply. Still, the existence of IOUs shows huge market interest in Pi's future. For pioneers, these markets are a glimpse of potential demand, but also a reminder to be cautious. The true value of Pi will only emerge when mainnet is open and millions can trade freely. IOUs are just shadows of what's to come. The real value is being built by the community. Patience and participation, not speculation, will shape Pi's destiny. In a community this big, rumors spread fast. Like Elon Musk accepting Pi or secret exchange listings. As of February 2026, none of these stories are confirmed by Musk, his companies, or the Pi core team. The core team is clear. Mainnet will launch only when technical, business, and KYC milestones are met. Any dates or partnerships not announced through official channels are just speculation. Pioneers should focus on facts, not hype, building apps, helping new users, and growing the ecosystem. The real strength of Pi is its fundamentals, not celebrity rumors. Stay informed through the official app and channels. The future will be built on real milestones, not wishful thinking. In crypto, technology matters, but people matter more. Pi's greatest strength is its massive engaged community, already using Pi to buy and sell goods in a grassroots economy. Every transaction proves Pi's real-world utility, not just its speculative potential. The network effect is powerful. More users mean more value, attracting developers and businesses. This virtuous cycle makes Pi a unique platform for global commerce. The community drives adoption, spreads the word, and builds the ecosystem from within. Pi's future depends on this human element, the millions who mine, secure, and build. They are the true backers of the currency, making Pi a revolutionary social experiment. It's proof that a currency's real value lies in the hands of its people. As 2026 begins, Pi stands on the edge of its biggest leap yet, the highly anticipated open mainnet launch. Years of development, community building, and innovation have led to this pivotal moment, and excitement is building across the globe. Soon, Pi will connect to other blockchains and be listed on major exchanges, finally allowing global supply and demand to set its price. This will mark Pi's true entry into the world of open, decentralized finance, where its value will be determined by real-world use and adoption. The core team will only announce the launch when every technical and security condition is met, ensuring a safe, stable transition. When that moment arrives, the real action begins, and the world will be watching closely. Developers will rapidly expand the ecosystem with new apps and utilities, while businesses start accepting Pi for goods and services. The first real trades on open markets will set the tone for Pi's public life, shaping its reputation and future. The ecosystem's growth, new apps, services, and business adoption will drive demand and value. As more people use Pi in their daily lives, its utility and influence will only increase. A major retailer accepting Pi could be a game-changer for mainstream adoption, opening the doors for millions to experience digital currency in everyday transactions. For pioneers, this is more than just holding a coin. They're true stakeholders in a new global economy, helping to shape the future of digital money and decentralized communities. Challenges remain, from regulatory hurdles to technical upgrades, but the foundation is strong: a dedicated community, a growing ecosystem, and a clear vision for the future. The dawn is breaking, and the most exciting chapter for Pi is about to begin. The journey ahead promises innovation, opportunity, and transformation. The world is watching. Are you ready to be part of this revolution?